KRIS 6 News at noon continues.
Well, good noontime, everybody. What we're looking at here is the time lapse of the WeatherBug camera down in Kingsville. You can see the sunrise and you can see how the clouds are rolling in. Of course, it's fairly windy out there too in Kingsville. We're looking at a 23-mile-an-hour sustained wind. We had a peak wind already of 35 miles an hour, and that's actually stronger than yesterday. We're at 81. The humidity is on the rise. The clouds are also on the rise. Yesterday with 34, we've already beat that. Yesterday we were at 82, and today we're probably going to be at about 82, 83 again today. So pretty much all over the coastal bends, the wind is the only problem out there. We had a little bit of sun, but now we're getting more and more cloud cover, which will be with us overnight and into tomorrow. The main event is really tomorrow night. That's when we are looking at some interesting weather rolling through, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. Now, there's a southeast wind, which is going to be strong today and tomorrow. And then it turns around and it becomes a northeast wind blowing by the time we get to Thursday. We're looking at 80s for us, 90s along the Rio Grande, but everybody's on the warm side. This front that we're talking about is not particularly cold, but it is a dry line that's going to trigger a lot of this activity. There you see the southeast winds bringing in the moisture. There you see the Pacific moisture. And of course, you can see right about here, you see this dip. That's the jet streak that's coming around, and it's going to be right about here. Is going to produce some heavy weather when those two systems come together. So it's the front and the jet streak that are going to lift the atmosphere and produce the heavy weather. As a matter of fact, already from Dallas to Austin, they have a significant possibility of severe weather. They're up at the enhanced level, and that is for tomorrow, beginning tomorrow, middle of the day. If you're driving to Austin or Dallas and you're flying, you're going to have some rough weather up there. Now, you'll notice that we are here on the bottom end of it. So the first level is just generalized thunderstorms, and there's a marginal possibility that something to the north will turn severe, okay? So that's when we get the thunder and the lightning. And when will that occur? Well, the good news is that it probably will occur at midnight. That is incorrect. We've got the wind going this way right now. But you see the light sprinkles or light showers, they may begin tomorrow morning. The main event is right here. That is the front. That front is going to be rolling down into our area, and it's going to be lifting the atmosphere right about there. Heavy weather again, Dallas to Austin. And then we're on the tail end of it, and it should be through here about sunrise. So I'm hoping that all the thunder and lightning occurs in the overnight time period, so that by tomorrow, or rather Thursday morning, a lot of it should be clearing out of the area and moving out. Then we get that northwest wind, and then we've got some drier weather coming through us. And in fact, as we set up into the Easter weekend, we're going to be doing really well. So watch out for the thunderstorms here, then clearing up very nice in the mid-80s for Easter weekend.